Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Replacing the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it can be a straightforward task. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Tools required *. 1. Phillips screwdriver. 2. Flathead screwdriver. 3. Wire cutters. 4. Soldering iron, optional, for reattachment. 5. New replacement cable. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Before you start, ensure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. Unplug your Dyson HD01 from the wall to ensure safety. Lay down a cloth to protect the surface and place your vacuum on it. Step 2. Remove the back cover. Using the Phillips screwdriver, locate the screws on the back cover of the vacuum. Carefully remove these screws and keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once all screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Step 3. Access the cable connection. With the back cover off, locate the cable connection point. You will see where the cable is attached to the internal wiring. Take a moment to examine how it is connected. If you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. Step 4. Disconnect the old cable. Carefully cut the old cable using wire cutters, making sure not to damage any surrounding wires. If the cable is soldered, you may need to heat the solder with a soldering iron and gently pull it away. Step 5. Prepare the new cable. Take your new replacement cable and strip the ends to expose the wires, ensuring that you have enough length to work with. Match the colors of the wires from the new cable to the existing connections in the vacuum. Step 6. Connect the new cable. If the original was soldered, use a soldering iron to attach the new cable. If it uses connectors, simply connect the new cable to the existing wiring. Ensure that the connections are secure and that there are no exposed wires, which could cause a short circuit. Step 7. Reassemble the vacuum. Once the new cable is securely connected, carefully replace the back cover of the vacuum. Align it correctly and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightly secured to prevent any issues during operation. Step 8. Test the vacuum. Before you finish up, plug in your Dyson HD01 and turn it on to ensure the new cable works properly. If everything is in order, you are good to go. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide professional diagnosis without obligation. No calls, no travel needed. Step 9. Clean up. Finally, tidy up your workspace by disposing of the old cable and any debris. Keep your tools organized for future use. If you need any further repairs, be sure to ask us for a quote before repair to understand the costs involved. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the cable on your Dyson HD01 vacuum cleaner, ensuring that it continues to perform at its best for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.